started raining, but I guess that's one of the benefits of having a GoPro Hero 10. Hey guys, so this video is mainly going to be about the media mod because I've mentioned it a few times in my previous videos about the Hero 10, and I realise that some of you might not actually even know what it is or what to use it for, so I'm basically just going to go into a bit more detail about it, what it's for, how you can use it, and yeah, just give you a few of the specs about it and tell you the good and the bad points about it. So yeah, that's what this video is going to be about. So first off, I'll just tell you what you actually get in the box. So you get a user guide, the cage with a directional microphone, the foam windshield, and some mount accessories. So originally the media mod was designed for the Hero 9, but it is compatible with the Hero 10. And the main purpose for the media mod is it's basically designed for vlogging, streaming, anything where you'd want to sort of add third-party accessories like microphones and lights and that kind of thing, which I'll get onto a little bit later. But it basically has a directional microphone which you can either use from the front or the back, and all you have to do is just go into the settings of the GoPro and just change which direction you want the microphone to record in. So it's really important that you do that. If you're using the front microphone, then the front facing camera, then you want to make sure that the front microphone is being used. And if you're using the if you've got the camera facing away from you but you're still talking, then you want to make sure that you switch it over to the back facing microphone. You can also turn off the microphone on the media mod so that you're just using the GoPro's microphone. I'll turn that off now so that you can hear how it sounds, because the microphone's on top of the GoPro and the cage looks like it covers the microphone, so I'll let you hear how that sounds, and then I'll also do a few comparisons where you can hear what the media mod microphone sounds like, because at the moment I'm not actually using that, only because I don't think it sounds as good as it could do. So I'm not using the media mod microphone now. I'm using the Sennheiser MK200, again something I'll talk about a little bit later, but now I'm going to I'm going to unplug my microphone and I'm just going to turn off the media mod microphones as well and hear how it sounds when you're just using the GoPro microphone with the media mod on. So this is what the audio sounds like without the media mod mics and without any microphone plugged into the media mod. This is just the microphone that's coming directly from the GoPro, but I've still got the cage I've still got the media mod attached to the GoPro. So I'll take the media mod off now and again just do a comparison so that you can hear what the inbuilt microphone sounds like but without the media mod cage on, if that makes sense. So just to see if there is a difference between the audio quality at all. So this is now the audio coming from the GoPro's microphone, and I don't have the cage on it, but I don't have the media mod on it, so this is just what the audio sounds like coming directly from the GoPro. As I said in a previous video, I think that this audio sounds a lot better than the audio that comes from the media mod microphones. So this is, yeah, as I said, this is the audio coming straight from the GoPro. I'm going to switch over, put the media mod on, so then you can hear the audio from that. So this is the audio now using the media mod, and this is what it sounds like. The reason I got this is because I wanted to actually test it out. So I'll just tell you a little bit more about the media mod. You've also got a USB-C port, so you can actually charge the GoPro without having to take it out of the media mod case, which is really useful. And it has a 3.5mm microphone jack, so you can plug in an external microphone, as I mentioned earlier, and that's how I'm using it at the moment with the Sennheiser MK200. It also has an HDMI out, so you could use an external monitor if you just want to have a bigger display. Say if you were streaming or you were doing anything where you were just going to be a little bit further away from the GoPro and you just needed to see yourself a bit better. It also has two cold shoe mounts, so you can mount any accessories you want on it. Things like lights, microphones, anything that you just want to kit it out with really. And it has a removable foam windshield for the microphone on the media mod, so that will suppress wind noise up to 20 miles per hour, I think it says. So it is really useful if you don't want to use an external microphone and you just want to use a microphone from the Media Mod, and it is a really windy day, so yeah, that's just something to consider. So I guess the question is, who is the Media Mod for? And GoPro market it for vloggers, live streamers. It's perfect for vlogging because if you also want to use the GoPro as an action cam, so you do a lot of that stuff, but you also want to vlog with it at the same time, then using the Media Mod is perfect for that because of all the different ways that you can attach the different accessories for vlogging. And for streaming, which I haven't tried yet, it's also perfect for that apparently. So using it for live streaming is something that I will do in another video, and I'll test it out properly to see how it works. But yeah, and also if you just create videos like educational videos or review videos or any kind of videos like that where you're just going to be talking to the camera and you also need to capture decent B-roll at the same time, then yeah, the Media Mod is going to be perfect for you. So if you are considering getting the Media Mod, I would definitely recommend also looking into getting an external microphone. You can get some for less than $100, £100. The Sennheiser MK that I'm using was less than £100, I can't remember how much it was, but I'll put a link in the description to some microphones that I recommend. But yeah, if you're going to be vlogging outside, it's just really going to be beneficial to have an external microphone which just gets better audio, clearer audio, and also if it's really windy then you can attach an additional windshield like a furry windshield which is going to cut out a lot more wind noise. So I hope this video was useful. I hope that it was useful. If it was, drop a like, and if you have any questions or comments, just drop them in the comments box below. I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm going to talk about ND filters with the Hero 10 and if you need them or not. So yeah, subscribe if you want to see more Hero 10 videos. But otherwise, see you guys on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.